Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Kashiatala. In this video, I will explain my web programming assignment about an environmental pollution information website. This project is created using only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and responsive web design without any frameworks. First, I will give a short overview of my website. My project has two main pages. The first page contains my identity, general information about environmental pollution, and seven pollution topics with the explanations. The second page shows seven images related to the same pollution topics in a responsive card layout. Now let's start with the first page, the information page. At the top of the page, I display my full name and my student ID. This identity section is placed inside the header area, so the lecturer can easily see who created the website. Below the identity, I write a general introduction that explains what environmental pollution and why it is a serious problem today. After that, I present seven different environmental pollution problems as separate section. The topic I use are pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, radioactive pollution, and microplastic pollution. This topic has a title and one explanation paragraph, so visitors can understand the meaning, cause, and impact of each type pollution in a simple way. Next, I will explain the interaction for hiding and showing the explanation. Each pollution title is clickable with the user clicks on a title. My JavaScript code shows a confirmation dialog. The question says, apakah Anda ingin menyembunyikan penjelasan ini? Which mean do you want to hide this explanation? If users clicks OK, the related paragraph will be hidden by adding a CSS class that sets display to none. You can see when I click this section, pencemara udara, and then comes alert that says apakah Anda ingin menyembunyikan penjelasan ini. When I click OK, then the section will be hidden. And then when I click it again, will come that say apakah Anda ingin menampilkan penjelasan ini, that it means do you want to uh, menampilkan penjelasan ini kembali. Then I click OK, then it's come back as before, like before. Okay, now let's talk about display mode switch feature. Under the explanation, I add a button to change the page appearance between a neat mode and messy mode. In the neat mode, I use a clean layout, consistent spacing, and good contrast, so the website is comfortable to read. In the messy mode, I intentionally make the layout less organized. For example, using slight rotation, different margin, or uniform alignment to show the difference between good and bad design. Let's see when I click ubah mode tampilan. Yeah, you can see the layout of the page is so messy, and then the color is, yeah, you can see yellow, black, red, and it's not good. And the position is so messy. And then when I click ubah mode tampilan back, and then it will go back to the neat mode like this. Okay. I also make sure the text color has enough contrast with the brown theme. For example, I use dark text on light brown and white text on dark brown areas. Now I will explain the second page, which is the image gallery page. This page is opened when the user clicks tampilkan gambar or show image button on the first page. I link this button using a simple JavaScript redirect to the second HTML file. The second page follow the same brown color theme and always use neat mode style so the design look clean and consistent. Okay, as we can see here, when I click tampilkan gambar or show image, then it will go to the second page. And, we can see here the 7 pictures of my topic that is air pollution, water pollution, and audio pollution, light pollution, radioactive pollution, microplastic pollution, and soil pollution. You can see the image here with the card case as like the assignment. I just follow the assignment. And then the most important part of the second page is the responsive layout. I use a Flexbox based gallery with CSS media queries to change the number of columns depending on the screen size. On mobile device with a width 6,000 pixels or less, each card takes 100% width, so there is only one column. This makes content easy to read on small screen. I will show it when I go to inspect, and then as you can see when I click Google device toolbar, and this is what it looks like when I use this website using my mobile device or phone. Yeah, you can see the card gonna show one by one, like a stack like this. And then when I go to laptop mode or I don't know, this is more like tablet mode. It will show like 4 cards like this. And then when I go to laptop mode, we just drag it here, or I just gonna close it. Yeah, as you can see, it will show 3 cards per row in one row. Okay, and then at the bottom of the gallery page, I add a back button. This button sends the user back to the first page when clicked. With this navigation, users can move easily between the explanation page and the image page. It also completes the requirement to have a way to return the previous page of the gallery. I'm gonna show you like this. When I click the kembali or return button, it will back to the first page. Um, Wait a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the source code. Wait a minute. All right, here is the source code. The first one is index.html. This is the code for the first page. So here I use like section, div class, and paragraph. So I fill it with the paragraph that I give in the first page. This is like the explanation, the topics, and then we use function ubah mode or change layout here. And then button to reference to gambar.html or tampilkan gambar or show picture. And then we go to JavaScript code, source code. This is to create the function of the penjelasan, or and then ubah mode is to change the mode. And then we go to style CSS. This is I used to style my page, the neat one and the messy one. Yeah, you can see here. And this is also to use the RWD, or responsive web design. So this is the code media for the mobile, for the tablet, and for the desktop. And we go to gambar.html. This is the page that show image. So I give my asset here, all of it. So it gonna show all my image. And also it's using RWD. Okay, maybe that's all for the my presentation. I'm gonna check it if it is it already 8 minutes. Gonna to gonna wait a minute. I'm gonna stop sharing and then stop